Now let's take a look at these results. In this particular simulation or scorecard analysis, this actually looks quite good. All the risks are low, and it shows that pmBLOX shows that there's actually a lot of extra room in the schedule, that it's slightly below on average the cost that project expected, and as well as on labor hours. Now again, you want to go up and actually look at some of these ranges instead. So for instance, our 95% confidence interval, that's what can be expected, and you want to compare that to some of these values for project or Primavera, whatever you happen to have imported from. And so for instance, we may go back and let's pretend that productivity is a little bit lower, and let's rerun those 15 simulations. And so again, it's cranking through and it's doing a Monte Carlo analysis, and everything's staying the same, except on average people are beginning with a 90% productivity level. And the simulation's almost done here, and we'll go check out the new results once this completes. Again, left all the other inputs the same. Now when we look at the results, we're going to see some different, I don't remember the exact values, but I can already tell that some of these are different. And if I go down to the scorecard, we now begin to see some changes in risk. Before we had roughly 42 days of buffer, and now that's down a little bit to 30 days. But this is telling me even with everyone being less productive, I've got a lot of extra room in the schedule. However, with cost and the labor hours, you can see that those have gone up, and now we're 12.5% and 12.1% over, so we're in the medium risk category there. And so on this project, I would be very careful with the cost and the labor. However, I know that there's a lot of freedom in the schedule area.